a, right after that we have a, this is called a, you see that card right here is a bishop.
Bishop.
Okay, I put the bishop and then I need...
I want a bishop too.
And then you're right, I put the bishop right here.
I want a bishop too.
You write the bishop right here, that's yours right here. And then we need another bishop for you right there. What's it called?
Bishop.
Bishop. Okay, now, okay, now this is called a, you see that? King. This is the king. And then this one is called the queen. That's right. Now whenever you have a queen on this side, you will have a queen on opposite like a mirror. So the queen is in that side. So we look, the queen is on the other side. And then now you have a king on this side. The king is going to be on this side. Now we are finished. Okay. That is the setup of this game. So we watch it, learn it, then you learn the next thing. Okay? Learn it. Learn it. Okay? So leave it. Okay. Sophie, we're going to go over the names again. This one is called a king. Sophie, this one is called pawn. Don't touch it for it. Just leave it for now. Sophie, sit down. Sit down. Okay. This one is called a pawn. These are called pawn. Sophie, this one is called a rook. 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 Sophie, what is this one? Knight. What is this one? Knight. This one is a knight. This one is a knight. Sorry, what is this one? King. No. Queen. Bishop. Bishop. This one is like a pointed hat. Pointed hat is a bishop. So we sit quietly. King. This one is a. This one is a. Hat. Sorry, this one is a. Bishop. 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 Sorry, what's after bishop is the queen. Queen. And this one is a. King. In front of the queen, Sophie, sit quietly. In front of the queen, you have the queen. And in front of the king, you have a king. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the first move. Okay, Baba. Okay, first move. Pawns, when you start the game, only when you, Sophie, sit quietly. Yeah. When you start the game, you can go two moves, 1, 2, or you could go only 1. Okay, so choices for the movement for the pawn is 1 or 1, 2. Okay, Sophie, sit quietly. I want you to learn how to move the pieces. So here it is. Go ahead, move the pawn. You want to move it 1 or 2? You have to be directly inside the square. You want to go only 1, move it directly in the middle. Okay, move it there. So it's back up. Be careful not to move the pieces, okay? Okay, Papa. Now I am going to, it's my turn. I'm going to move 2. 1, 2. Now, Sophie, now we're going to talk about bishop. Bishop can move only in diagonal or diagonal. So where do you want to go? You can go one piece, or you can go 1, or you can go 1, 2, or you can go all the way there. I want to go all the way there. Okay, are you sure that's what you want to do? Okay, go all the way there. Remember, you can follow the squares. Be careful not to move any other pieces. Be careful not to move any other pieces. Okay, you are there now. Okay, this is only for teaching. Yeah. Look, if you go over here, Sophie, you're moving a lot. This is the last time I'm going to say it. When you move over there, you are in front of the rook. You are in front of the bishop. Sophie, what are these pieces called? Pawn. Okay, you are in front of my pawn. My pawn moves forward, but it takes sideways in an angle. So once you are here, I can take you. This piece worth 1. This piece worth 3.
These are not same.
No. Now you've been taken. So this is the game. So now I'm gonna put it back. I'm putting everything back. Okay? Sophie, show me the pawn movement. Show me pawn. Choose a pawn and move it.
1.
Sophie, choose one piece of pawn. You can only touch one. It's rules of the game. You can only move one.
1.
You're done? Okay.
Yeah.
Now it's my turn. I'm moving. Okay, I'm moving 2. 1, 2. The first move you can move twice.
Yes.
Only. Okay, go.
Well.
Now you have this bishop open.
Yes.
The bishop goes in an angle. You can go 1. Sophie, bishop moves only in an angle. Only in an angle. Look at this. Sophie, look. The bishop moves in an angle. It's only in an angle. You can go 1.
1.
Or you can go 1, 2. You can go 1, 2, 3. Or you can go all the way across.
I want to go all the way across.
But don't you remember what happened when you got all the way across with the white one? White bishop? Do you remember? You have to remember. So you want to go all the way across? Sophie, be careful not to knock off the pieces. You have to be careful.
I just
So you went there?
I went there.
Once you get there, you are in front of my pawn.
Yes.
The pawns go forward in this way, but they take in an angle.
Yes.
Look, I'm taking you, but since you made the same mistake within a few minutes, this one is not coming back. It's gone. So now you move from here on.
Okay,
So
Papa.
next one, it's your turn. I took your piece, now it's your turn.
Which one?
Okay, now
Right.
what we have, you can do a knight move.
Oh.
Knight move. So wait, leave it there.
Okay.
Knight can move in an L shape. Watch. It goes 2. You can jump over these pieces, even yours and mine. It goes from here. Count with me. 1 square, 2 square, and then move right or left. 1. Sophie, listen. Then
Right.
move. 1,
Yeah.
2. Then move to this place or go to here. I'm showing you. 1, 2, 1 or 1, 2, 1. Which one do you want to do?
Right.
Okay, go ahead. Pick it carefully. Sophie, count.
1.
1, 2, 1. So you're leaving it there? That's a good move. I like that move. So it's so good. Actually, I am going to do it. 1, 2, 1. I did it too. Now it's your turn.
Which one? Say it.
Okay, I'm showing you. Okay, this is a game that I'm showing you how to do it. Okay, so next one, I would suggest that you do the same. Next one, I'm suggesting that you do the same with the other knight. Here it is. Take this and put it. Count with me. Count with me. Hold. Take it. 1, 2, 1, or here. Which one do you want? Count, Sophie. 2.
Here.
Sophie, count.
1.
Sophie, count.
1.
Sophie, leave it. Leave it right there. Leave it. Sophie, listen. Pick it up. 1, 2, 1, or 1, 2, 1. Which one do you want?
1.
1. You don't count the one that you're in. You have to count the one that you're going to.
I want to go over there.
Okay, go.
1.
Sophie, no. You don't count the one you're in. You pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. 1, 2. Let it go right there. There you go. Okay, I do the same. Look, count with me, Sophie. My knight. Sophie, stop playing with your nose. Okay, my turn. 1, 2, 1. Stop moving and touching your nose. Stop it. Stop it. You're going to make your nose bleed. Please stop. Okay, so that was the knight move. Now you have learned how to move a bishop.
Yeah.
You learned how to move a pawn.
Yeah.
You moved how to move the
Knight.
Okay?
I haven't moved it yet.
No, stop, leave it, stop, leave it. Move your hands so you don't touch the pieces. So now you are here, right? Now we're going to do a castle. Castle.
Where's the castle?
What?
Where's the castle?
Okay, we're going to do the castle later because we have to move that piece as well. Okay,